Happy wedding anniversary!
Read it! You gotta read the letter.
Oh, may pa-flower.
Happy anniversary.
Good morning, everyone! Welcome back sa aming channel! Happy wedding anniversary!
Hello!
Happy first wedding anniversary. Meron daw siyang letter sa akin, pero hindi ko muna i-open. Sabi niya kasi kagabi, huwag mo muna i-open, bukas na. Tapos, ngayon pong umaga, pupunta kami ng dental appointment ko. Sana last na ito, Kasi pinapastahan nila yung yung ngipin ko. And, ayun. Tapos, alas 12 or tanghali, pupunta kami ng spa. Mag-i-spa kami. Ayun yung pa-wedding anniversary, ni Travis. Pamper, daw namin ngayon, pamper day. Mga 1 hour daw ang spa. Tapos, mamaya namang hapon is kakain kami baka sa Japanese restaurant, yung Anli Sushi or whatever. So, yun. And mamaya, medyo madami kami pupuntahan ngayon. Tapos, may asikasuhin kami dito sa may apartment namin kasi nga lilipat kami. Pinapapunta nila kami sa may office. And ako ngayon, nag-day off ako kasi ang akala ko talaga, 'di ba, is dental appointment ko lang. Tapos ito pinaalala. Hindi mo ba alam na wedding anniversary din natin 'yun. So 'yun. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano bibigay ko sa
Paid
kanya.
off.
So yun guys, we'll see you later kung ano mga kaganapan namin, no. Baka mag-vlog din ako mamaya pagkatapos ng dental appointment. Sa clinic hindi kasi ako makapag-vlog, syempre nahihiya ako. Hindi naman tayo yung vlogger, Charis. Feeling vlogger lang, Di ba, babe? So, see you guys later.
A few moments later.
Bakit tabingi? Katatapos ko lang inanuhan nila yung tawag nito, pinastahan. Pero feeling ko tabingi, bunga nga ako. Oh my God. Feels like my mouth is like... Hello.
It doesn't look big, it just feels big.
No, it feels like my mouth is like slanted. I think because of the anesthesia.
Babe, you're Asian, of course it's slanted.
So yun, pupunta na kami ng bahay. Kakain kami, ko alam kung saan kami kakain. So see you guys. Punta kami mamaya ng spa. So ayun. Tapos yung dental appointment ko, Oh my gosh! Salamat Lord. So dito lang ako napapastahan sa Amerika. Hindi ako kasi nagpapapasta sa Pilipinas. Hindi ako nagpalinis din sa Pilipinas. Siguro pag uwi ko ng Pinas, doon ako magpapalinis. So yun lang guys, ako makapagsalita. Sana mamaya okay na to, no?
Seatbelt.
Hi guys, welcome back. Tingnan nyo naman, ang init na naman dito sa amin. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, paiba-iba yung weather dito sa amin sa Virginia. Dito sa Virginia Beach, no? So kahapon super lamig. Ngayon, ang init.
It's 70 out.
Ay, tila mo babe yung hair color. Naging na siya, look. Diba?
You can see it in the sun.
Yeah. Hindi na siya black. Yun, pupunta kami ngayon sa spa. Magpapaspa kami ni Travis. Ayun yung treat sa akin ni Travis. Tapos, pupunta kami mamaya sa restaurant at kakain. At si Kinsley, ang tagal. Ang tagal magpupo. Umaaraw talaga ngayon, Pero gusto ko yung gantong weather. Sakto lang. So, diba? Natutuwa ako yung buhok ko. Nag-light na siya. Kasi nagpakulay talaga. Ako lang nagkulay ng sarili ko, buhok. Siyempre, ang mahal dito. Ang mahal kaya dito pumunta ng tawag nito. Pag pupunta ka ng salon, ang mahal-mahal. Tapos, magbabayad ka siguro ng mga, $200, $300. Pinakamura na ate, 100 or 150. Tapos, magtitip ka pa, ganun. So, ayun. And, ayun na nga, pupunta kami doon. Tapos, ito gagamitin namin yung truck ni Travis, Kasi yung CRV, dun ko siya pinark sa kabila. Kasi walang parking dito. Kasi ginagamit ni Travis tong garage. So, ayoko naman palipat-lipat yung CRV. Kaya dun ko na siya pinark. Hala, Nag-violet yung buhok ko. Dapat dark green siya eh. O, diba? So, yun guys. We'll see you later. Nandito na kami ngayon and medyo maaga kami. Nandito kami ngayon sa Flow Chesapeake and Massage Therapy. So, yun, pupuntahan namin. Medyo maaga kami ng 20 minutes. Gusto kasi nito asawa ko laging maaga eh. Alam nyo na, pag American talaga, no, kailangan. May mga American din na palaging late, pero madalas sa kanila na laging on time or maaga. Nandito kami ngayon, and ayoko munang bumaba. Sabi ko sa kanya, mamaya na tayo pumunta doon. Baka hindi tayo, kasi maaga tayo. Hindi magantay kami dito sa sasakyan. No, babe? Malapit lang pala siya sa amin. Siguro mga 10 minutes. 6 minutes drive, no? From our...
Yeah, like 8.
No, mga 8 minutes. Yung pogi naman, Say hi! Hoy!
Hey.
Ang pogi mo dyan. Ang pogi yan! Ayun. Ayan siya. Kung nakikita niyo yung... Kasi natatakpan eh. Natatakpan siya nung parang Christmas, Basta Flow Chesapeake. Ayan, massage therapy. So, we'll see. So, my husband has a letter for me. Show it to me, babe. Come on. Show it to us.
Oh, my legs.
Dali. What letter? Ano mo? Pangs. Why you put pangs there?
Because, babe.
Because what?
Because
Okay.
it's your second name.
Let me
It's your second name, babe.
Alright, let me open it. Better be Epal. Huwag mo yan sa pimples ko. Sabis naman. Let's see.
Oh, don't just open it. Read it. Read it. You gotta read the letter. Come on. You gotta read the letter.
Some coupons here.
read the letter.
This is not you who wrote this.
No.
So it's not from you.
It is from me because I paid for it.
Okay. For my wife, I love you. Maybe I've gone too long without actually telling you, without really showing you. I've been kissing you too quickly, missing your tender touch, saying those 3 simple words all too casually. I've taken for granted the beautiful reason I'm able to say them in the first place. You. Okay.
Keep reading. Oh! She likes coupons.
What are these coupons? For what?
Read them.
Perfume coupon. Like how much?
Well, I didn't put it. I should have put a limit on the back.
No.
So what do you got? You got you got a date coupon, so you
Date
can cash that in for a date.
Sushi
Oh,
coupon.
you can cash that in for sushi.
What? I don't understand.
Oh, and you can get perfume.
This is not a real coupon.
No, you give them to me, and we go and get you perfume. It's a coupon.
No.
Like, hey babe, I want a date night. Here's my coupon.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, I don't get it.
Yeah.
Now I get it now. Okay.
Wow. Well, you can throw that one out. We did this one today.
No. Okay. I'm just gonna read happy anniversary, happy 1 year. I love you. Thank you for putting up with my shit. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Babe, I don't have a letter for you.
Yeah, because you hate me.
No, I'll buy it tomorrow.
Kinsley.
Thank you, babe.
Yeah.
Where'd you bought it?
I went. While you were working, I bought it at Walgreens.
Liar.
I'm just kidding. Where did I buy it? Oh, Walmart.
So, galing kami kanina, guys, ng spa. Pumunta kami doon sa may spa, nagpa-massage. Massage spa. Pumunta kami doon, grabe, nakaka-relax talaga, super relaxing. Tapos siguro 1 hour siya na. Ang gulo ng ni Kinsley. Siguro 1 hour siya na massage. 1 hour na massage mo. Parang nakatulog na ako eh. Kasi grabe talaga. First time ko yun That was
First
my
time?
first time, yeah.
That was Swedish massage, so just relaxing, not a deep tissue. Deep tissue is
Yeah.
like
Ay, may pa ganun.
Yeah.
So, next time, try natin yun, ha?
Yeah, try natin yan.
So, later, pupunta naman kami ng restaurant. And, nag-request si Mister. Nag-request si Mister, bilan ko daw siya ng sunglasses niya.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. So, see you guys later.
See ya.
Oh, may pa-flower. May pa-flower si Mister. Thank you, babe. Come here. Hello. I thought you don't want to give me flowers.
I don't.
Why you gave me flowers?
Because I know that you like them.
Eh?
Even though I don't like them because they die.
Uh-huh.
And they have a good color.
Thank you. Oh, purple. Look at that. Are these real?
Yes, they're real.
Wow, it looks like... Oh my gosh. 감사합니다. Okay, we got a gift from Mom and Dad. They sent us a gift from our anniversary. Oh, look at that. It's a knife.
Oh, those are the nice ones.
Nice, yeah.
It's
Kitchen
got the
knife set.
it's
Look
got
at
the
that.
sharpener on it too.
Yeah,
Let's open it.
let's see.
We can get it open. We need a new knife.
Yeah. Kasi lagi si Travis bumibili ng pira-piraso. Meron kami mga knife kaso yung mapupurol na kailangan pang tasahan. Ay, ang dami.
Ooh.
Nice. And then, ito yung parang stand niya. Diba? Ano? Akala mo sa'yo na naman. Where is that? Nice. Look at that. That's not yours. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
It's a sharpener.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, it's built in.
Nice. Thank you, Mom and Dad. We love it. Hi, guys. So, ito na nga. Pupunta na kami ng restaurant. Japanese restaurant siya yung pupuntahan namin.
Are you driving?
No, you're driving. Kasi nagke-crave kami sa ramen at sushi, ano. Pero hindi kami nag-unli ngayon kasi medyo busog kami kasi nga kumain kami kanina. And super sweet ni Travis. Binigyan niya ako ng bulaklak. Kasi ayaw niya talaga akong bigyan ng bulaklak. Ano? Pasensya niyo na yung mabukbok ko mukha. Hala, bakit andito yung ano mo? Pajama mo? Hindi ako nag-jacket ngayon kaya medyo warm na yung yung weather dito. Wait lang, maalog-alog. So ngayon pupunta kami doon. Ay, yun nga pala. Nagulat ako kasi nga kanina nag-ano si Travis, nagbigay siya ng bulaklak. Sabi niya, ayaw kita bigyan ng bulaklak kasi namamatay lang. Dapat yung mga gagamit mo. Tapos nagbigay pa rin siya. Ang sweet naman ng baby ko na yun. Sweet nung... Diba?
Mm-hmm.
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
Sweet! Sweet ni Travis. Magkano yun, babe? How much for it?
For what?
For the flower.
Too much.
What do you mean too much?
Too much money. It's winter time. You think flowers grow in the winter?
Tapos, then why did you give me?
Because you like. Oh my gosh.
So, ayun nga. Binigyan niya pa rin ako ng bulaklak. Kasi, dun din sa bari na-post ko yun dati ato sa TikTok namin. Sabi niya, ayaw ko bigyan ng ano kasi mamamatay lang, lalo nandito tayo sa Bahrain. Tapos namatay nga. Pero wala lang, nagaganda lang din kasi ako no. Ayun na nga, pupunta tayo sa Japanese restaurant at kakain kami, no. Parang hindi na ako mag-vlog doon, guys, no. So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo yung mga ganap today. Anong ginawa namin ngayong first wedding anniversary namin ni Travis. So, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.